How to set an auto-reply in Outlook on both desktop and web. It's perfect for when you are leaving office or going to vacation. A little effort make your business more reliable and efficient. Let's open Outlook on your PC. Go to the File tab. Choose Automatic Replies Out of Office option. Enable Send Automatic Replies. Set the start and end dates for your leave. It's important to set both time periods so it works properly. Next, inside My Organization and outside My Organization. Set both tabs if you want a message to go to coworkers and external contacts. Type your message. Keep it short and clear like. You can also mention someone to contact in your absence. Click OK. Let's set it up in Outlook on web. Log into your Office 365 account. Go to Outlook. Click on Setting icon. Go to Account option. Click on Automatic Replies. Enable Automatic Replies on. Enable Send Replies during a time. Set start and end times. Optional filter are Block My Calendar, Automatic Decline New Invitation, and Cancel Meetings. Choose a filter as per requirement. Now enter your message in both inside your organization and outside your organization. Click Save. That's it. Simple and straight. Follow us for more Office 365 and Google Workspace tips and services. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.